Hello friends, welcome back in another video of learning Tableau. Our today's topic is sets. So what are sets in Tableau? What type of sets are available in Tableau? How to create sets? And what are use case of set? When we can use sets? So first of all, let us understand what is set. Set are custom created fields that define a subset of data based on certain conditions. Conditions may vary. It depends how we want to show what is our requirement. Let us see how many type of sets are available. So generally these can be divided into two type of sets. One is dynamic sets, another one is fixed sets. So what is dynamic set? Dynamic set is nothing but it allow changing the underlying data using the dynamic conditions. And these are based on single dimension only. Whereas fixed sets is a kind of sets which do not change respectively if underlying data has been changed. A fixed set can be based on a single or multiple dimensions. And in later part, we will see some use case of set, like how to create a set, how to show in out value of set, how to give color to a member, which is in or out, how we can filter values using set, how we can drill down using set. And another later on, we will see how to combine set or what are options are available when we combine the sets. So let's go to Tableau and see. So first of all, we will see what are sets. So sets are nothing. These are custom fields, right? So first we will see how we can see how data will be filtered using the set. So first we will create a simple graph which will say segment and then sales. Another one, let us create another graph which will show subcategory and sales of it. Let us sort this. So now our requirement is that I want to see how many subcategories are contributing based on which type of segment. So say I'm saying that the total sales of consumer segment is this much. So what is contribution? All subcategories are giving, like which subcategory has how much sub contribution to it. So to do that, what we will do, we will create a set on segment. So let us create, and this is how we can create a set. Like we will click on any dimension on which we want to create a set. Then we will go to create option and here we will see set. We will select all values. Okay. We will push it to colors, right? So now we know that if we want to see anything, then we have to combine on both these two tables. So let us go to dashboard, create a dashboard, remove this. Okay, let us fit this entire view, make it a little bit narrow so that the below graph can be fitted. And now what we have to do, we have to go to dashboard, go to actions, okay, and then click here, change value using set. Select this, give name to this, so say filter subcategory values by segment. Click OK. One more thing, like whenever you want to create a set, right, we have to always remember which action we want to see. Hover, like how do we want to see it? So suppose if we hover on anything, then should the below data get filtered out? It should be on select, like when we click it, it should be menu. So when we click it, it will give an option. Do you want to filter the data or not? Or single select only. And from here, we have to select the set. which set we want to use here to filter our data. So our set is segment set, right? These are the value which asking us like when the set action will be performed, how we want to do it. Like, do we want to assign a value to the set? Do we want to add a new value to the set? Or we want to remove the value from set? So these options will vary as per your need. And on the right hand side, we can see options for clearing the selection. So suppose I have clicked, I have selected, then once I deselect it, what it should it keep the filtered value? Suppose I have click on consumer, then will it remain the same, or how it is? Like once I clear the selection, it will move to the previous view where it was. And last one is remove all the values from set. So this will say that when we click on anything and we will select it, so those particular value will be removed from our visual. So what we want to do for our current video, we just want to see, okay, how can I filter data using segment to subcategory? So I have keep assign the value and all the value to set. Click OK. Okay. So now say I just want to see that how many subcategories have contributed to the consumer segment. So whatever the blue values you will see, right? These are the contribution those has been made by the all these subcategories to summing up this much to the consumer, right? Similarly for corporate, what I want to do it. So corporate is showing that these are the values those has been corresponded to this corporate. So like way, your use case may vary. Likely we have to select the respective options from the set actions. Next say sometime it appears that okay, I have category, I have sales, right? Now I want to drill down this to the subcategory. See, I don't want to this. I just want to say okay, if I click on office, then it show me the office. If I click on technology, then it should drill down and then show it. So how to do that? So to do this, we will build a simple view, which is category by sales, right? Next, we will create one another set on category. We'll say select all category set. Okay, our set is ready. Now we have to create one calculated field. Show sub category. So here we will say if category set, then show subcategory, else we can leave it blank. But see, we just want to show sub. We want to show category itself. Category end. Okay. Now bring this to here. So now here we can see that for this category, these are the subcategory, these are the subcategory. How we can drill down, right? So suppose I click on office, then it should show office supplies only. Remaining they should be. So let us go to dashboard. Here, go to actions, add another action, say drill down to subcategory. Again, we have to select which we want to category. Here what we have to do, like in previous we said that okay, show all the values to the set. So when we clicked on, it filtered the data but showed all the value when the selection was cleared. So here we want to see We don't want to see that, right? Here we want to see if I clicked on furniture, then it should show the value of furniture. Remaining these two should not be drilled down. And when I clear the selection, I should see furniture here and furniture here. That's why I'm selecting remove all the values from the set. Click OK, OK. So say I want to see the technology. So when I click on technology, it drilled down to the further level, whereas the furniture and office supplies went to their default table. So this way, right? Because this is working. Why? Because we selected this option. And let us see what this option will do. So we are saying that okay, at the time of clearing selection, keep set values. Click OK, OK. So what should it be here now? So if I clicked on this, it will show all this. Even though previously when we clicked, it showed, and when we cleared the selection, it become like other two are showing. But now we have said that okay, keep the filtered value. So it is keeping the filtered value. Similarly, if you click on this, then it will not be drilled down, it will be like this. But when we click this, it will not get drilled back to the category level. So next we wanted to see how we can show or how we can view members in and out, right? Go to the Tableau, show in out members. So suppose I have customers, not customer, there are a lot of values in customer. Okay, let us take customers only. Customers, add all the members, and I have sales, right? So now I'm saying that I just want to keep, or how can I highlight that show the only customers who have done sales above 10,000. One is that I filter, show filter, not this way, my bad. Edit filter. One is that I come here, then put the formula, right? Either like selecting by field, sum of cells, then I click apply, then okay. One value is this, right? But we don't want this. Now we are talking about showing values, those are in and out using set. So how to do that? Or say we just want to see top 10 customers by. So to do that, we will go to customers, create set, on condition, say here if sum of sales greater than 10,000. This is one of the option, right? We'll say okay. Oh my bad. Right. Okay, we can put this here. So now it is showing that okay, whatever we have in blue, these are having the sales above 10,000. So this is an example of dynamic set. If in future any customer which comes up here, like suppose John Lee, currently it is having sales of 9,800 rupees. The way it will cross 10,000, it will automatically come in the other color of it, right? So another, we say okay, we shown this, we have seen this. Now say how to show top end customers. Okay, so customer by set. Again, we will create the same view. Let's have sales. Okay. Now let us create another set. Customer name, set, top, and customer by set. I'll come here. I'll say okay. Top 10 by sales. Put here, or I can put here too. Say okay. Show me those are in top 10. Right. This is the way how we can show top end, and how we can show top bottom. Sorry, bottom end customers. Let's see. For that, we will create again another set. We go create set top by this time we will select bottom 10, bottom end customers. Click OK. Put here. There should not be any null. Yep. Okay. So let us filter here. Say we want to see only in values. So these are the customers, those have done very less sales, like $5, $5, all this. So we have seen how to create top end, bottom end. Now say I want to show this and this in a single sheet. How we can do that? So to do that, we have one option which say combine set. So how to combine set? So to combine the set, we have to click the sets, right? Suppose we want to show bottom end and top end sets. We'll click here, create combine set. We will give this top end, bottom end customers. So here, right, it is showing four options. One, this option will bring both the values from all the sets. This will bring only shared values. So this is nothing but this is kind of joins, right? So this is saying bring all the values, like bring top 5 and top 5 both. This is saying okay, bring all these values if one is falling in top and bottom end. The third option is saying bring only bottom, fourth is opposite to that. So our requirement is that we want to show top and bottom. So which option we will select? We will select the default option, which is say okay, bring all the values from both the sets. Now our set is ready. We will go here, top and bottom and customers. We will put it here. Okay, let us this, make it this. Okay, will it work? Let's see. Did it work? So to do that, we just simply put it to filters, and here we have our top 10 customers and we have our bottom customers. So that's all for the video. In this video we learned what sets are, type of sets, how to create set, how we can highlight values using set, how we can filter values, how we can drill down, how we can like show top end, bottom end, and how we can show both of them as combined. So that's all for the video. The link of this particular workbook will be given in the description. Please check it and do share your feedback like always. Thanks for your love.